Ever dreamed of building a nest egg so secure it feels like it's tucked away in a hidden paradise? Imagine a place where your investments are growing steadily, untouched by the daily market fluctuations. Well, that's the promise of many robo-advisors, and today we're diving into one specific platform, StashAway. But before we explore its features and benefits, let's answer a burning question. Where in the world is StashAway? Hold on a second, some of you might be scratching your heads. Where exactly is StashAway from? Is it a physical location you can visit with your passport and a suitcase full of cash? Nope. StashAway isn't a country, it's a fintech company. Fintech stands for financial technology, and StashAway uses cutting-edge technology to automate your investments. Think of it like this. Imagine a financial advisor that works tirelessly, 24/7, analyzing market trends and making investment decisions based on your goals and risk tolerance. That's essentially what StashAway does. It uses sophisticated algorithms to build personalized investment portfolios, tailored just for you. So, where is StashAway based? Now, the geographically curious among you might still be wondering, where is StashAway's headquarters? Well, buckle up for a global adventure. StashAway actually operates in several countries across Southeast Asia. They have a presence in Singapore, Malaysia, and Thailand, making them a regional leader in the robo-advisory space. The benefits of a global robo-advisor. This international reach has its advantages. StashAway can leverage diverse investment opportunities across this developing region, potentially offering you exposure to exciting new markets. Plus, their understanding of the Southeast Asian financial landscape can be a valuable asset, especially if you're an investor based in the area. Exploring StashAway further. Now that we've established StashAway's global presence, let's delve deeper. In upcoming videos, we'll explore how StashAway works, the different investment strategies they offer, and the fees involved. We'll definitely cover those in detail. We'll also compare StashAway to other robo-advisors and help you decide if it's the right fit for your investment goals. Call to action. So, stay tuned for those dives into the world of StashAway. In the meantime, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if you're interested in learning more about robo-advisors and building a secure financial future. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your hard-earned money. Until next time, happy investing.